What I've got is a backup lens for 1964. This is 1964 only, and what happens is they get this aging or crazed look to them, and not really pretty, and a lot of times they just crack. And you'll see that we've already just replaced those lenses, and they look a lot better than what they used to be. This is the license plate lens, and these are all available at Caddy Daddy. I happen to pull a set of new old stock, and we get new old stock once in a while, but we have reproductions as well in stock for these lenses, and we've replaced them, both sides. And if you look really close, we've also put LED lights in there as well. And the last lens is the 1964 only, last year of the fins, the tail fin lens. So old versus the new, much better. And in every way, we just want to put the jewels on this automobile and just spruce it up. The paint, we're going to make it as nice as we can. That way I can park it somewhere and not have to be worried if somebody leans on it. It's just going to be a daily driver. So stay tuned.